Open. Oh, no.
Ah, something fell on me.
Open. Close.
Cucumber.
Very good.
Cucumber, very nice. Yummy.
Open. Just dropped it on you.
Raspberry.
2 for 2.
I love this stuff. I love raspberries.
Open.
It's like cheese.
What kind of cheese?
What's it called? Like the white stuff. It's like brie.
Very good.
Brie.
Wow, you're getting really good at this. This is a tough one. You ready? Open.
Ew. Oh. Tastes like something like mustard. Like not like the American stuff. It's like not Dijon. Actually, I think it's Dijon.
Okay, we'll get back to that one.
It tastes like Dijon.
We'll get back to that. Can't get it on this. Okay, you ready?
Oh, mushroom.
Very good.
When I touch my lap, I can feel stuff. It's not good stuff though.
Ready?
Yeah.
Close.
Oh, mustard. Dijon mustard. I knew it.
Okay, so let's go. I still have one more, but let's go back to another one that you missed.
Because mustard on its own is not that good.
Okay, so let's try this one again, the one that you weren't sure of. So we know it's not mustard now, right?
Huh. It's like smooth. It's not tzatziki. Not mustard.
You got the texture right.
Smooth. Trying to think of something like that. It's like I don't know, mayonnaise?
Very good, yes. Okay, last one.
Oh. Oh, it's spicy. What is that? Ugh. It's so spicy. Is that sriracha?
Yeah.
A
It is.
spoonful of sriracha?
Not a spoonful.
Oh.
Very good, you did it.
Look.